Alright, now it's a record.
Alright, now go back and record. We have 27 babies over here. This one have 10 babies and kill them all.
You get the meal?
Yeah, we get them ready.
Okay, this one came from over river too. Remember the first? Yeah, Dura. Remember the first 3 little ones we bought?
Yeah.
Kerry and Poochie, and that's one of them.
No, come on.
That's one of them. All right.
Okay.
Here we go. All right.
These two, we have one on brand.
This one.
We have a male and a female.
No, these are 2 female.
2 female.
Pass the bucket there, give me now. Ratty, let me get that bucket. Look it. This is the male from St. Thomas.
This is a male from St. Thomas. What's him?
He's a land racer.
Land racer.
This one right here, that one we get from Conroy.
Okay, we buy this one from Conroy.
This one I want an ugly tree.
He was a little baby.
From Chase.
This one is one of the pig we didn't believe in, but he's so successful.
We take him from him. We take him picnic from them. This one from St. Thomas. Okay.
Oh, what is land racer?
Yes.
Yeah, this is a land racer from St. Thomas.
All right. There's a Duroc from St. Thomas. She's ready.
This is a Duroc from St. Thomas.
Getting ready to give birth.
Getting ready to give birth.
Here's the other ugly one we didn't like.
This is another one we didn't believe in, but they're so successful.
No. This one came from GT. This one bit me. This one from GT. She's pregnant.
This one from GT. She's pregnant too.
This one from St. Thomas. Pregnant.
This one from St. Thomas. Pregnant. And this is my niece, Ratty.
This one is from Chase, the other ugly one.
This one is another one we didn't believe in. They're so successful. This one is from Chase family too.
This one is from St. Thomas.
This is another one from St. Thomas. These are all Durex?
No.
Land racers.
Land racer.
One will be fun pushing.
This one is from over river.
This one is from over river, from Billy. What's him?
Dura.
Durex.
Okay. This one is from over river.
This one is from over river. When?
Let me see. I don't remember. This one is a Hampshire.
This is a Hampshire.
From Pam.
From Pam.
And here
looking good. Pregnant again.
Okay.
Have 7 kids. Keep them all.
And here we go. Offsprings.
Here we go again. What are these?
They all mix.
These are all mixed race.
Land racers and Durex.
Land racers and Durex.
No, I'm sorry. Hampshire land racer Durex.
Hampshire land racer Durex.
And here's the land racer baby.
And that's my footer. What?
Land racer.
It's a land racer again. More finishing video over so. Come here, have a couple more minutes.
Go on. Hurry up.
Do it fast. Why do I have to start over? I stop.
No, it's a record.
Okay. Trying to get my way out the pen. Take me.
And then what you do, show the rest of the land where you have to below. We have 9 pregnant ones. Put that flat.
We have 9 pregnant one right now.
You see water?
Yeah. I'm really scared of the pigs, but because they're heating right now, I could pass. Woo!
Put the string over here, baby.
Me can't. Hold it, let me go over. Oh crap. This is the rest of the land that we're gonna farm. Put all pigs on. We're gonna make it a money investment. This is also another pig farm, and this is my brother Peter. He's also a farmer.
Pig farmer.
Pig farmer. Look at this pig. He's so huge. He's pregnant, right, Peter?
Yeah.
He's pregnant again, getting ready to have babies. This is another one. Raising pigs in Jamaica is a very good investment. This is one more my brother Never. He's also a pig farmer. What the fuck are you doing? This is also my brother's farm too.
Yeah?
We feed them and back feeding, bread, roughage, and every little thing that we know pig could eat to make them healthy. So we get more meat than fat. So a couple years from now, when I do my next video, we will have no more space but all pig pens. Wanna farm name? Wanna farm name, Peter? Wanna farm name?
Miller's Brothers.
Okay, and this farm is the Miller's Brothers farm. And over here you have the Blue Line farm. Look at this pig. He's so tall. Wow. And if you look on the hill up there, it's kind of hard to see. But all the way up there, we gotta go back home. It's wonderful being in Jamaica to see our pig farm and to be with our pigs once more. Bye, you have a good day.